Welcome. If you're tired of getting constant event notifications from Facebook popping up on your screen, this video will walk you through how to disable them with the newest Facebook update on PC. Whether it's event reminders, invitations, or updates you don't really care about, it only takes a minute to turn them off completely. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once it loads, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a small menu with several options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. Next, click on Settings. This will take you straight to Facebook's main settings page, where you'll find all your account and notification controls in one place. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Find and click on Notifications. Inside the Notifications section, you'll see a list of different types of alerts Facebook can send you, such as comments, tags, birthdays, and of course, events. Scroll down until you find events and click on it to open more options. Now, here's the important part. You'll see several notification methods listed, including push, email, and SMS. Simply look for push and toggle it off. Once you do this, Facebook will stop sending you pop-up notifications for events on your PC. That's it, you're done. No more distracting event pop-ups every time you log in or browse through your feed. You'll still be able to see upcoming events if you check your events tab, but those sudden push alerts will finally be gone. Keeping your notifications under control can make Facebook feel much cleaner and less overwhelming. If you find that certain alerts aren't useful to you, it's always a good idea to check your notification settings every now and then, especially after a new update. Take a moment to adjust what fits your routine best and enjoy a calmer, more focused Facebook experience just the way you want it.